Well, howdy there, folks. Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to follow up on the Facebook call option that I discussed yesterday. And this one actually worked out, a rarity in the year 2022. So if you had bought this yesterday before close of market, it closed at $1.19 per contract for the June 17th expiring call options. And this one, by close of business today, made $555, which is pretty nice for one day. That's like the equivalent of, if you take every business day of the year, so 52 weeks times 5, it's close to about $145,000, $150,000 if you could do this every day. The key is consistency. But now for me, I didn't actually do this because, like I said, I got in too early. So I'm still down, and I will probably, if the stock doesn't move anywhere by tomorrow, if it doesn't keep going, I'll probably get out of it because this option actually has very poor fundamentals. It would have been a decent play for today, but not as good, obviously, a week before. So I'm in the thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade. I'm in the thinkback tool, which allows you to back test option trades. So I'm trying to go back to, and I'm not an expert at this, so I'm kind of, it's like the blind leading the blind, so to speak. But I'm trying to go back to a week ago when I got into it. And I guess this thing is going to make me adjust the price to what it was on that date, because it's not adjusting automatically. Interesting. So I'll have to go and see what the price was. I'll be right back. This video is probably going to lose half of the viewership after that, but I hope not. Hopefully all of you watching are really into this stuff. So I'm going to have to go in on my phone and find out what price I actually paid for it. And I mean, this is the exciting part. You get to find out how much I'm actually down, right? Even though, like I said, the trade, if you got in yesterday, would have worked out to your advantage, $555 up. So let's see. So I paid, where is it? I think this was $2.53. Yeah, so I'm still down. Actually, I was down like $1,200, but I made the 500 back. But this state of decay is really eating into this one, so I'm not going to stay in this one much longer. I might just cut this loss. But like I say, in theory, if you had got in at the $1.19 price yesterday, which was April 27th, you would be up $555. Now, just for fun, let's take a look at another one. Let's go back to, let me see if I can back test that Roblox one that I talk about a lot. This was back in November. If I go back to, let's see, like I said, I'm not an expert with this feature, so I have to probably move the date. This is a really powerful tool if you can learn this. Like, you could train yourself to make a lot of money just using this platform. So when was that? It was around, I want to say November 8th was when they reported. And this is one of my favorites because of what it did. So let's see if this will work. All right, come on. Roblox. Where is it? Yeah, I'm not sure. I guess it's not going to come up. Add simulated trades. Maybe if I do this, Roblox, come on. Think back. It's called Think Back, which is where I just was. I'm sure this is simple. All right, uncheck this. Roblox option chain. Oh, this is just showing me the stock. Let me see, can I hard code this in? From here, they should allow you to do that. No, this is not what I want. I want Roblox. Let's see. Let's see what else is here. Maybe if I go, oh, up here maybe. Oh, here we go. Like I say, even though I call myself financial coaching, in some situations I'm learning as I teach. So this is one of those. Okay, let's see. I think the option I was in was actually, I think it was expiring that Friday, actually. And this is a rarity. It was expiring November 12th, I think. And I want to say the stock was like 130 something. Or it might have been this one. Let's just look at this one just for fun. Okay. Yeah, see, these were pretty much out of the money, big time. Let's pick 105. Let's see here. That was a bad one. Let me see if I can find this real quick here. I want to get this in this video. This is kind of going to move slow, but I'd like to get this in here to be exact, because I don't think I actually showed the Ameritrade portal the last time I did this. So let me go back and look in the actual app. Let's see here if something's off on this. This can't be right. Let's see, history, go back. Where was it? Roblox. Ah, here it is. It was the November 19th $100 call. So I was a week off. Okay, so let's go to November 19th. For those of you still following along, this can be boring, but you can make a lot of money with this. So if you pay good attention, take good notes, a lot of money can be made with this. Okay, so let's see, November 19th, $100 strike price. Okay, and this was, here we go. So let me remove this one. That was the weeklies. Don't want that. The price. Yeah, this backtest feature seems like it's missing something. I'm sure it's something very basic. Okay. Profit and loss. What was it? It's saying it was $6. So I guess I can just manually type that in. Oh, that's not right. When did I get this thing? September 9th, 394. Buy to open. What am I not doing, I wonder? Well, I know that this shot up a lot higher. I did a video on it, but I'm not going to play that and redo it. Let's see here. Okay, November, when was this? November 9th. at $6. So that, I mean, basically doubled for me from the price I bought in. I bought in around $3. Oh, let me see if this works. Let's see if I go to change the date. Ooh, here we go. I think we're on to something here. 16. Did this just change? Okay, reset that to 0. Okay, hold on here. So the $100, okay, we're on to something here. I think I might figure this out. Well, I said I would. And like I said, when I'm determined to do something, I do it. Okay, yes, here we go. So look at this, by the expiration. And it's rare to hold an option through until expiration. But if you look here, wow, you see that? That was a $34,000. Oh, but wait a minute, that was from a price of 0. I need to put in what was it, 394? No, come on. 394. Wow, that's still, was it that much? I only looked like at the 12th, I want to say. All right, so I've cracked this thing. I know how to do this now. Oh, this is going to make me dangerous now. And all of you following along with me, this is how you use the back test feature. I know I've kind of walked through this before, but it takes practice over several times. So, okay, let me look at the 12th, because I think when I made the video, I based it on that. Wait a second. This can be confusing. I think by the 12th, it was only up 5,000 and something. Let me take this out, take these out, get these bad boys out of here. Dang, what was going to be a short video has become a very long video. Okay, so, but this is valuable information. So 5,235, if I go back to, what was it, November 9th, when they actually reported earnings, $100 call, this will show the $1,000 gain. Dang, they've got the strikes because there were so many of them. They're like $1 in dollar increments. Let's see here. That was at a loss as of that day. Oh, I need to go to the 9th. This is the impact of when earnings were reported that day, because I sold within the first like 10 minutes of trading, but by the end of the day, it closed way up, much further than there. And I should have held it. Like I said, 2021 was a completely different market. So yeah, see, look at that. That was, you see the difference here? Let me close this one out. This isn't right. That was an $8,710 gain. So I missed out on an additional 7,000 by closing in the first 10 minutes of trading. But in the rare case that somebody wanted to really be risky and hold this and look at the chart and say, wow, this sucker is going to keep moving up, well, they would have really made some life-changing money in this case, because like I just had it up here, November 19th. November 19th. Oh, and the 12th was Veterans Day observed. That's why it's saying non-trading day. Okay, so November 19th. So watch this, by expiration date, which this is a rarity, but in the 2021 market, this was happening. So this expired well in the money. And watch this. That's where the $30,000 gain comes into play. So wow, that's on one trade. If you had bought this, when I bought this like in September and just held it 2 months, it's $15,000 a month on this trade. Now we're not seeing this in the 2022 market, but these days will come again. So hang in there and stay hopeful, because I can assure you these days where these kind of trades were possible will come again. If you like that, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and take care, and stay motivated, and stay happy, and stay strong. Take care.